Within the testes, deep inside where spermatogonia reside, meiosis dance its wonders, transforms them all and makes them grow. Sertoli cells, a nurturing hand, guides sperm maturation across the land. Leydig cells with hormones bold, testosterone story bravely told. Birds and bees, these nuts. From seminiferous tubules they flow to epididymis, where they grow and grow. Maturation's path, a journey long, gaining motility where they belong. Vas deferens, a muscular tube, propels them onward, swiftly do. Seminal vesicles, a sugary tide, fructose provides with sperm inside. Birds and bees, these nuts. Prostate gland, a milky stream, adds enzymes if and you know what I mean. Cowper's gland, a pre-ejaculate flow, lubricates well so you know. Urethra's path, a final race, ejaculation, a swift embrace. A symphony of glands unite, semen released, a bird